Hello, Jeffrey Kirk here. Today we're taking a look at an issue many advertisers face: how to reactivate a suspended Google Ads account. So is this your situation? You're cruising along with your Google Ads campaigns, reaching potential customers left and right, and suddenly your account got suspended? Ouch. It happens though. Getting your account suspended can be frustrating, but don't panic. Reactivating a suspended Google Ads account is totally doable. You can get your ads back up and running. Let's walk through the steps together in plain and simple terms. We'll break it down into 6 simple steps. Step number 1, understand why you got suspended. Sounds simple, but this is where to begin. Start by slowing down. Take a deep breath and figure out why Google put the brakes on your ads. Common reasons include policy violations, billing issues, or suspicious account activity. Google usually sends you an email explaining the reason, so check your inbox or your account notifications. Log into your Google Ads account and check for any notifications or messages that might explain the reason behind the suspension. If you have a message but don't understand what it really means, click the help links that Google provides. If there are none, copy the suspension reason and do a Google search for it. Odds are good you'll find a lot of helpful information. Step number 2, fix the issue. Now that you know the problem, it's time to fix it. If it's a policy violation, review Google's policies and make the necessary changes to your ads or website to comply. Identify the specific policy you violated and take corrective action. This might involve removing certain ads or making changes to your website to comply with Google's guidelines. Sometimes it's just a simple billing error that can lead to a suspension. If it's a billing issue, just make sure your payment method is up to date and there are enough funds to cover your advertising costs. Go to your billing settings, update your payment details if necessary, and settle on any outstanding balances. For suspicious activity, you've got to secure your account by updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication. All right, step number 3, reach out to Google support. If you're still stuck, not sure how to fix the issue, or need further clarification, try to contact Google Ads support. They're there to help you navigate through the process and get your account back on track. After all, they don't get paid unless your account is running, so they don't want your account suspended any more than you do. You can contact support directly through the Google Ads Help Center. You can reach them via phone, chat, or email, depending on your preferences. Explain your situation clearly and provide any relevant details they might need in order to assist you. Step number 4 is submit an appeal. If you believe your account was suspended unfairly, or if you've resolved the issue and want to request reinstatement, you can submit an appeal to Google. Be honest and provide any relevant information or documentation to support your case. Explain what steps you've taken to address the issue and why you believe your account should be reinstated. Step number 5 is be patient. Patience is key. While waiting for a response from Google, resist the urge to create a new account or make further changes to your suspended account. It's important to give Google time to review your appeal thoroughly. Rushing the process could potentially harm your chances of getting your account back. While waiting, stay attentive to your email and other communication channels linked to your Google Ads account. Google might request additional information, or they might provide you with updates regarding your appeal. And step number 6, stay compliant. Once your account is back up and running, make sure to stay compliant with Google's policies to avoid future suspensions. Regularly monitor your ads and your website for any potential violations and address them promptly. Prevention is the key here. Always adhere to Google's policies and guidelines to avoid future suspensions. Getting your suspended Google Ads account back in action might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's totally achievable. Follow the steps, and before you know it, you'll be back in the game, reaching your target audience and driving results with your Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more digital marketing tips. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, leave them in the comments below. Your business deserves to be seen online, and I will help you get there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.